Alrighty boys, so we're going to be working on getting back out into the garage after the big old Christmas grind here. So we got both the projects in the garage. And I do want to say hello to all the new subscribers of the last few days. We've had a significant increase in subscribers and views on certain videos. I'm sure you guys, a lot of you guys are familiar with the 350Z Hellcat swap that some guy in New York is doing. I tried commenting on his videos and talking to him a little bit, but he's getting a shitload of views on that, and I think his videos are suggesting mine for some reason, probably because they're both 350Zs. So I've seen a significant increase, so I think I've had a lot of new subscribers in the last few days from that link. So if you guys are new here, I'd like to say hi and introduce myself. I have a 350Z right here, LS swapped, and also have a LS swapped Ranger that I'm working on doing a four-wheel drive conversion on. So that's what I'm actually working on now. I'm trying to get this thing ready for ice racing, and we want to do that this winter. I live in Wisconsin, and this thing, when I'm done with that, that's going to be the remainder of the winter project. And this thing is going to be a twin turbo 5.3. Yeah, I might switch it to like a 4.8 or a 6 liter. We'll see where that goes. But I do have the turbos for it. It's two VS Racing GT3582s. That's what's going to be going on here. But the main project for now is swapping over this drive shaft, front drive shaft, and we're adding four-wheel drive back to this truck. So, like I said, Christmas grind, we've been doing a lot. Today is actually Christmas Day, so stuff is kind of dying down now towards the end of the night, but did want to get a couple things going. I don't really have a whole lot of time to work, so let's talk about what we're going to be doing tomorrow and this week coming up. Alright, so we got one box. And I've had this box for a little while, but I think it might be time to finally discuss it. Some of you guys might know about this stuff already. Some of you probably don't. But it's an unboxing. And I know most of you guys usually like unboxing videos. So this isn't really anything special. Some of you guys know, if you've been following for a while, when I took this Ranger was initially a four-wheel drive Ranger. But then when I did the original LS swap on it, I took the front differential and I took the axles out of it. And I kept them sitting on the shelf just in case I needed them. And then I got to a point and I was like, you know what? I'm never going to use these things again. And then about 35 minutes later, after I threw them away, I was like, I think I need that again. And that's exactly what happened. So it was literally like a month, maybe 2 months after I got rid of all the stuff, that I realized I wanted to put the four-wheel drive back in it. So that's what these are going to be. These are going to be a set of axles for the front. So kind of sucks, but got all new axles. So there you go. At least I don't have to deal with them being all rusty again. So there's one axle. And here's another one. Alright, so here's the new axles. Should be nice and fresh, nice and strong. We'll see what breaks first. If I break these, the diff, the drive shaft, or the transfer case. Leave it in the comments what you guys think I'm going to break first. But we'll see. So this truck before was a little bit north of 500 horsepower. At least that's what I'm calculating from the ET and the weight of the vehicle. So we're going to try to shoot for a little bit more than that, and four-wheel drive. Yeah, we'll see where that goes. I'd like to go 10 seconds on street tires. I had slicks on there before, and I was having a lot of problems with my torque converter. But I'm going to do a different torque converter during the summer, and I'd like to maybe try to go 10s on street tires. as long as the four-wheel drive shit works. So yeah, not gonna get a whole lot done tonight, guys. Like I said, it is Christmas Day and it's towards the end of the night. Spent a lot of time with the family. Hopefully you guys did too and had a nice safe holiday. My son's in there playing with his cars. But I do got a lot of parts coming for this thing. I have the transmission mount, the axle snap rings, and the front U-joint, the front diff yoke, and a bunch of stuff that's coming for the truck that I was kind of delayed for the Christmas break. So that stuff's all going to be coming in like tomorrow and over the next couple days. So as that starts to come in, I should be getting at least the front diff yoke and hopefully the axle snap rings tomorrow. So then I can start working on that stuff over the next couple days and start buttoning the engine up and getting that stuff all back together, getting all the, the water pump and turbo kit and all that stuff back on. And then I'll probably start doing that while I'm waiting for the rear drive shaft, because I got to take the drive shaft in and get it modified and all that stuff. But hopefully this thing will be going in the next week, 2 weeks, depending how much time I have, depending how work and stuff goes. We'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I've got a lot of new people coming in, so hopefully you guys enjoy the channel and stick around for a little while. If you like it, share it. If not, send it to your worst enemy and annoy the shit out of them. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.